So the government has introduced the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 in Lok Sabha. Let's understand what is the bill, why the need for this bill and what the implications could be if the bill is passed. First up, let's understand what is the bill. The bill seeks to ban all forms of online real money games, that's RMG. What are these RMGs? RMGs are platforms that require players or users to give an entry fee to start playing the game, and they also provide cash rewards to these players. They include any online games that involve cash stakes and monetary winnings, and under this draft bill, all online real money gambling games will be covered, and any game which involves users stake or win money would be banned. What does this bill propose now? The bill makes it an offence to offer, aid, abet or induce or otherwise promote any of these games. They classify any game involving an entry fee or a monetary reward, whether it is a game of chance or a game of luck. All of these will be clubbed under the gambit of real money games. Also, the advertisement for such games is prohibited under this bill, and it also bars banks and financial institutions from processing any payments linked to any of these RMG platforms. Why this bill in the first place? Because the bill suggests that there are reports that indicate that when players get too addicted to games like this, it causes mental stress, some trauma, it causes suicidal thoughts, and along with that, psychological stress, distress, financial hardships, disruption to family life and social relationships. All of this is covered under this bill. The bill, in fact, also takes it to the stretch of saying that a lot of this money that is used here is also used to fund terror, and algorithms are opaque, and that could be misdirecting the users that are playing on these games. So if this bill does get passed, who stands to get impacted? It's going to be Nazara Tech from the listed space, because via their subsidiary Nodwin and PokerBaazi, they have their presence in the online gaming system. So this is a stock that stands to get affected. Along with that, other fantasy players that involve money and monetary transactions like Dream 11, My 11 Circle, Halo Fantasy, SG Fantasy, Winzo, Games 24/7 and Jungly Games, all of them stand to be adversely impacted. So all eyes are going to be on whether or not this bill is passed and all the motions for and against that are argued for this bill. But as of now, this bill has been tabled and introduced in the Lok Sabha.